Hi friends, this is Shayanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how you can begin with the basics of makeup by applying kajal. Well, we all know that kajal is a favorite when it comes to the Indians. But then some of us get scared of kajal smudging around the eyes because that will give an illusion of dark circles and make us look really bad. So in order to avoid that situation, you want to watch out for this video. There are two types of kajals which are usually available in the market. I am going to show you both of them. So the first is this wooden one which has this tip that needs to be sharpened from time to time. And this is a regular sharpener, but you get a special sharpener also for kajals. So this is the other variety of retractable kajal. So you can just roll it and take out the amount you want for applying on your eyes, and then you can put it back like this. So this is of course the most popular variety. I personally prefer this because the tip is usually very thin, you don't have to bother about a sharpener, and you can use it smoothly around your eyes. As far as smudge-proof is concerned, well, many of the brands claim that the kajal is supposed to be smudge-proof, but in order to be safer, you should make sure that you follow this tip and make it smudge-proof yourself. So first, I'm going to rim my eyes with this kajal to define it. We usually apply the kajal on the waterline, but I would suggest go for tight lining as well. You must have seen in many of my videos, they actually look really nice. So tight lining is using the kajal to outline the upper lid as well. If you have watery eyes like me, then you should take a break and just breathe in. It will settle on its own. So I'm going to take this angular brush and I'm going to take a shade of brown to soften the outline of my eyes. You can do the same for the upper lashes as well. Now, if you feel that there are some products which are around your eyes, you can use a fluffy brush to get rid of them. Also, if you have concerns of dark circles around your eyes, you can always use a concealer around it. And of course, you can finish the look with mascara or eyeliner as you like. Now you saw how easy it is to make sure that your kajal stays put in its place. In order to make your kajal smudge proof, try this out and let me know in the comments below what tips you have for me. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe for more. Thank you.